Hi, this is a video of Luna and Spice that we have here. They are both the chocolate F1B Labradoodles. I think they both pretty much, their personalities are kind of close, and their coats. Spice might be a little more of a tighter wave than Luna. Luna might be more of a shaggy wave. I do think Luna is a little darker chocolate brown than Spice there. Luna sometimes can be a little bit more outgoing than Spice. Of course, she's not right now. Spice is the one that's venturing off. Where are you going, sweetie? Gonna check out the toy? All the pups are just starting to get up on their feet. Luna, you do this all the time in here. All you want to do is sleep. Huh? In the morning, though, you're active when it's time to eat. Aren't you, sweetie? Hi, Spice. Did you come to see me? Huh? I'd like your sister to get up and move around a little bit like you are. Yeah. Are you gonna cuddle up there too? Oh, so tired, huh? Luna was the littlest when she was born. I just updated their weights a couple days ago. I can't remember. I think she still is one of the littler ones, but she was really caught up. Luna, come here. See if we can wake you up. Huh? Come on. Oh, Joe. Get up. Come on. No? If you have any other questions about these two F1B Labradoodle puppies at Rozey K9 Farm, you can contact us at 616-892-1993. Luna just wants to be a sleepy girl right now. She's an F1B. They both will not shed. She does have more of the straighter, shaggy coat, especially on her face and head. Otherwise, she's kind of wavy, very similar to Spice. Spice, I think, just has a little bit more of the wave and that on her face and that. Luna, come here. Luna already has such nice longer hair, I think, on her head. Don't you? I think you have a pretty face there, Luna. And you guys are just gonna cuddle down, aren't you? So once again, we are Rozey K9 Farm, and this is Luna and Spice out of Timmy and Lexi's litter, born 10/28, and they will be ready to go right at Christmas time. Thank you.